If you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, knowledge, and having fun doing it. In today's video, I am going to show you how to plant medium hot block pepper, and it's going to be fun. So what do? Let's start right now. Alright, so this is the medium hot block pepper, and see, that's what it looks like. And it says that it's an excellent choice for salads, stews, casseroles. Maturity is 65 to 75 days. How to grow it: you just plant in a full sun, 18 to 24 inch, and then apart in rows. So we are going to plant this. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And now let's plant this. So I am going to make a hole in the middle here, just in the center, and I'm going to remove one of these. This is so fresh, looks so healthy, so healthy. So we are just going to put this in the hole here, and we bring the soil and push it down on it with the soil in the middle. And then we can do the same thing like that, just a middle soil in the middle. And then you remove these, and we're just going to put it in the middle, and we bring the soil on top and then push it down just with your 2 fingers. Push it down on it. You can add more soil. Where's my soil? So you can add more soil if you want. Just a little bit more to help it. And then we just add water to it. So we just start giving this water. To help with the growth quickly. And if you want to know how I mix my soil, you can watch that next video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you leave it in the comment section below for me. If this video will help somebody else, share it with friends, anybody who is want to start gardening. And then we're gonna give the next one water. We'll give water to this one as well. So anyone you know who want to start gardening and have fun with it, you can share this video with them. This channel is all about gardening and having fun with it. I love gardening, you know, how you plant things and it grows, and you know, you use to cook and all that. So I love gardening a lot, and I just started making videos about it, you know, to share. There is so many tips and knowledge that I share on this channel that will help you if you are a beginner into gardening. It's simple, so easy. You don't need fancy containers or anything like that. So this is done, and now I will show you how to plant the next pepper. And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year? Have you thought of what you can plant in a container? Vegetables, herbs? Start with just 2 containers. It's easy and you will love it. And I'll see you on the next planting. I hope you have fun as you start. Share anything you are doing with us. Happy planting!